Why is nobody talking about this opportunity? So many people are sitting on a gold mine without even realizing it. You are fluent in a language, right? You speak it every day without even thinking. But what if I told you that skill alone could make you serious money online? So whether you are in Nigeria, in Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, the US, here in Canada, this opportunity is wide open. Now, there are thousands of immigrant second generation kids, even language enthusiasts, actively searching for native speakers to teach them their mother's tongue. And the best part is that you don't need a degree, you don't need years of experience, you don't even need to leave the comfort of your home. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how you can start teaching your native language online, how you can make money through one-on-one tutoring, and even making this skill pay you on autopilot. But before we dive in, I want you to give this video a generous thumbs up, tap subscribe, and let me know in the comment section the language you are fluent in. And don't forget to share this video to your friends and to your family too. Now let's get started. The truth is, the demand for native language teachers has risen over the years. A lot of immigrant parents want their kids to stay connected to their roots, but they oftentimes struggle to teach them their mother's tongue. Even universities and research students are actively looking for native speakers for language studies. Not even forgetting travelers, expats, and businesses expanding into different regions. They need real-life language lessons. And here is where it gets even better. You don't just have to rely on tutoring to make money. You can actually create a YouTube channel, sell a digital course or digital product, offer private one-on-one coaching, and that way you have multiple streams of income. So let me show you how you can get started. Step one is actually the smartest way that you can actually scale this business. Imagine you record a 10-minute video teaching the basics of Yoruba or Igbo or Hausa or even Swahili. That video stays online forever, constantly bringing in views, helping people, and earning you money through YouTube ads. Now I want you to multiply 50 videos and 100 videos. You get the idea, right? Now, in case you don't know, YouTube pays you for views through AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, then you are eligible to earn. Not only that, you can also promote your one-on-one coaching sessions directly in your YouTube video and charge premium rates for personalized lessons. In case you're thinking, I'm not a pro, you don't need a fancy equipment. You just need a good phone, a quiet space, and basic editing skills. I'll always tell you to start with friendly lessons like learn Yoruba in 10 minutes, how to say common Hausa phrases, and this is perfect for beginners. You can also say Igbo for kids. That's easy words that every child should know. These videos will attract parents, will attract students and learners who will eventually pay you for private lessons. Step 2, you can offer one-on-one language coaching for a higher pay. Once people start watching your content on YouTube, they will naturally want a more personalized lessons, and that is where your offer for private coaching comes in, and this gives you the opportunity to charge premium. Beginner tutors can actually start earning from $10 to $20 per hour, intermediate tutors $25 to $50 per hour, advanced niche tutors, people that offer Igbo, Swahili language coaching, you could charge $50 to $100 per hour. So where do you offer these services? Check Preply and Italki. It's great for finding students globally. You can also check Fiverr and Upwork, create a gig as a native language tutor, and also direct bookings via your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Just put the link to your calendar scheduling in your bio, and there you go. But don't forget testimonials. It's very important because the more success stories you share, the more you build trust in your audience. Now, step 3 is where it even gets more exciting. Once you've been able and successfully you've built an audience, then you don't need to trade time for money anymore. Instead of always teaching live, you can actually sell pre-recorded lessons, language PDFs, or workbook. Start by creating a 30 days Yoruba learning guide. Sell it for $10, and you can do this by using Canva. Flashcards is something parents really love, so you can use Printify to get this done, and you can also create a full course and sell this on Udemy or on Gumroad. Now imagine having 100 people buy $20 products, that is $2,000, and you only need to create it once and sell forever. This is not just about making money, it's about turning something you already know into a business. It's about helping people and preserving cultures and also getting paid to be you. YouTube is waiting, your students are waiting, and your first coaching client is waiting as well. The only question is, are you ready to start? Now I want to hear from you. What language could you teach online today? Drop it in the comment section now and let me know what is actually stopping you from starting. Let's talk about it. And if you want a step-by-step guide on setup for YouTube, channel recording, videos, getting students, let me know in the comment section. I just might drop that next. So hit the like button if this opened your eyes to a new opportunity, and don't forget to follow for more ways to make money online. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, stay blessed and all the very best. Bye for now.